Oh, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to the Life of Archie. Yeah, so your boy went to Arby's. Yes, I'm still on my diet. Yes, I am. Uh, but yeah, I went to Arby's. I got their new buffalo chicken strips. I got the meal. So got the 5 piece. Uh, I didn't get no dipping sauce because I figured I didn't need it. But you know, that's what it comes in. Hold on. So, whew, they batter. Whew, I smell it. I smell that barbecue. Yeah, I mean that buffalo. You know, they dazzle them. Pretty good size strips. I mean, so y'all know. Just try them out. Get y'all. You know. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. A batter soft, real soft, cause it got all the stuff on it, buffalo sauce on it. Meat's tender. Good job. Good job. Mm. It's a good little bite, you know. It's not really spicy, you know. As y'all know, buffalo sauce is not really spicy, whatnot. But mm, I like this. These some good tenders. Mm. They are some good tenders. I ain't gonna lie. Mm. Arby Shaw did a good job. I mean, tenders are not bad at all. Them pretty good tenders. Then they come in a 3 piece, or I can get a 5 piece. So, whichever one you want, you just get the chicken strips or the meal, whichever one you want. Your choice. But yeah, go try them out. You know, go tell them I sent you. You might get a discount. No, I'm just from this message. You ain't really no discount. They don't know me. They don't know me. They ain't giving me no discount. I ain't that popular yet. Probably never be that popular, but whatever. Anyways, your boy's out. Remember, believe in yourself, because if you don't, nobody will. Peace.